If God brought you to it, He's prepared you for it. Hi, Charles here. Good morning. It's Friday and thank God it's Friday. Kalain nyo bilis lang ng linggo, Friday na ulit. And also the last day of the month pala ngayon. Wow! Thank you Lord for the whole month of October. So, how was it? How are you guys? Kamusta ang ating mga October dyan? October. Okay ba? Okay ba? So, yes. If God brought you to it, He's prepared you for it. So, ano ba yung... So, tama pala. Going back to my question, how was your October? Was it good? Was it bad? Was it challenging? And yes, kung ano mang mga nangyari, if things are really good, meaning prior to this month talagang prepare ka na niya sa mga bagay na yon, or baka kung ano pa yung mga nagandang mangyari this month is yun yung mga pinagpapray natin for the last month or before pa. So kaya yun, thank you Lord for it. And it's the last day of the month. Ako personally, sana diba, for the last day parang biglayin ka ni Lord, ganda-gandang blessing sana darating, no? Pray for it. And yeah, if He brought you to it, He prepared you for it. So kung hindi naman well good or medyo challenging, so I'm sure kung ano man yung mga na-experience natin this month, may reason naman yan diba? Parang previous month parang nangyari itong mga bagay na to, kung ano man yung feeling mo na nangyari this month, it's because pinipare ka niya na mangyari itong mga bagay na to this month, not to parang not to punish you, but to let you feel it, experience it, and para ma-assess mo rin na baka kailangan mo lang pagdaanan yun. Kasi in the coming months, ayun, mayroong magandang blessing for you. So yun, kung ano mang mga nangyari for this month, either good things or not so good things, I'm sure those not so good things, they're still good in it. You just have to pag-pray. And yeah, I guess yun lang. So thank you Lord for this month of October. Thank you for all the blessings and all the challenges. Thank you. And we're praying na bago matapos yung buwan na to, kung ano man yung mga pinagpapray nyo natin, sana matupad para bonggang pagpasok ng November. So yeah, yun lang. If God led you to it, He prepared you for it. Trust everything. Trust, believe, continue praying, continue believing. God will make it happen. Ayun lang. Annyeong, mama. God bless.